Alright, this video is to show you how to use the zero product property. This property can't be used all the time. It can only be used if I could do the AC method on my equation. So this is one that if you're good with the AC method, you might want to use it. If you're not, then you might want to skip over this one and just go to quadratic formula. I know that I can't do the last method on this one because now it has the x squared and the x both in the equation, and it does not have the parentheses. So if I'm seeing two different x's, an x squared and a regular x in my equation, I know that I cannot undo. So my options are zero product property, or if you wanted to go straight to quadratic formula, that would be fine too. So same first step, I got to plug in the y. This one I have to have it equal to 0 first. So I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides, and then I have my 2x squared plus 6x plus 4. So doing the AC method, I've got 2 and 4. If I multiply them, I get a positive 8. Factors are 1 and 8, 2 and 4. So I'm going to choose these because a positive 2 and a positive 4 will make 6x. Going through, now we're just doing the AC method like last unit. So 2x, 4x, and a 4. I just split that 6x up. I'm keeping the 0, it's coming along. Covering up here, my GCF is a 2x. And then I'll have an x and a 1 left over. Covering up on this side, my GCF is 4. I have an x and a 1 left. Now my two parentheses, I'll go 2x plus 4 and then x plus 1. And when we were factoring last unit, this is where we stopped. But now we're doing the zero product property, so we have one more step to go. We have to take both sets of parentheses and set them equal to 0. So I'm going to take my 2x plus 4 and say, what if it equals 0? I'm going to take x plus 1 and say, what if it equals 0? Now I have two equations to solve. This is how you're going to get your two answers. So subtract 4, divide by 2. I got x equals negative 2. And on this one, I just have to get rid of a plus 1 with a minus 1. So x equals negative 1. If you wanted to try another example of that, I would say you're going to find x, again you're finding 2, if y equals 3, and your equation that you're using is going to be y equals 2x squared minus 5x.